To die for. Do y'all see this palette? Period.
Makeup by who?
Me.
Maria. She said makeup by me.
By me.
Clock it.
Yeah, I'ma do y'all as soon as I'm done with myself. As soon as I'm done with myself. Sugar. I'll be coming back now, see that. What you doing? They come up there.
They were trying to get up here. That's why I put on some makeup on. They didn't say nothing. Why you put that on? Like, dang, you don't get out of my face. I'm a girl.
It's a skirt, top, bottom, another style top. This is a swimsuit cover-up with a one-piece. This swimsuit cover-up right here go with this one. Fabulous! We have top right here, crochet blouses, scrunchies to go with the swimsuit, all the swimsuits. Okay, so you have the bag, the tote bag, different colors that I have. The makeup bags right here. Jewelry, Africa bracelet, go this way. And then you have the necklace, earrings, Polani earrings, silk scrunchies, different colors. My crochet swimsuit, this is the set right here, and then you have the top. The crochet swimsuit top, then you have the set right here, like these. One-piece swimsuit.
Yes.